Take a ride in the 2022 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.